Today you're going to learn how to prepare a whole chicken sous vide style in this quick look video. Now, if you want an in-depth tutorial, you can find that at sipbitego.com or at the SipBitego YouTube channel. But let's get to it. So, first thing you're going to do is spatchcock the whole chicken to prepare it for sous vide. Then you need to vacuum seal it in a flat layer and drop it in the sous vide bath to cook for about 6 hours. After you cook the whole chicken sous vide style, it's time to broil it. You can subscribe to the SipBitego channel on YouTube and make sure to click the little bell if you want to know when my next sous vide recipes come out. I have so many delicious things coming your way. So after the whole chicken sous vide style is done broiling, after it finishes in the oven broiler, you're ready to eat it almost. You just have to let it rest for about 15 to 30 minutes. If you can wait the whole 30 minutes to let it rest, it's going to be even more set and delicious, and it'll still be warm. Just cover it with some tin foil if you are concerned. When I was writing the Home Chef Sous Vide Cookbook, I was inundated with a ton of recipes that I wanted to include. And this is just one of the very few regrets I have that didn't make it into the book. The thing is, it just required way too much testing, and I had a deadline to meet, and this one just could not make it. So I'm so happy to share it with you, but I do have over 100 recipes in this book if you're looking for some sous vide inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to the SipBitego channel on YouTube and visit sipbitego.com to grab the full tutorial for how to make a whole chicken sous vide style.